Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 50 by 60 centimetre canvas with a bit of bluey grey paint on there that I have put, and I'm going to do just a swipe. This is cobalt blue. I have cobalt blue, orange, turquoise, and I also have a metallic brown which I'm going to use. And in the blue here I put some isopropyl alcohol, and in the turquoise I have put some silicone, so I'm interested to see what type of reactions I might get here. As you can see, the colours are nice and bright. And some turquoise. Do it in opposite, hey? Why not? Get it all on there. The recipes for these paints and pouring mediums you'll find below show more underneath this video, along with a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. I'm only going to put a little bit of this brown on because I think what I might do is swipe with it. Just get it around and then straight down the middle. Okay, so that's that done. Now I have a couple of pieces of cardboard here, and I might just hook it up. And down. Gee, it's not working very well. Well, that'll be alright. So I'll just do this. See what sort of patterns we can get. Alright. Goodness. What was that, she said? I'll tell you, that was a piece of wool from my crocheting. Alright, well that's no good. Never again. Alright, so what I might just do is just willy-nilly this, however way it wants to go, and then tilt it. See? Nobody said you have to be regimental all the time. So let's do a tilt and see what we end up with. All right. Don't know if I want that much area. Don't know if I want big splotches of orange. There like that. Put some of this blue and turquoise here. that's looking nice. Alright, quite liking this. Maybe some more turquoise here. This one doesn't want to come down, down you come. That made it move. Okay, so that's step one. I might just turn this around and see if it'll come down a bit this way as well. No barking. Is it going to? I don't think so. No, it's moved enough. It says it's had it. That's all right. So I'm just going to give it a little torch, and I like that. That's quite nice. I was going to do cobalt blue and orange, but I've changed my mind and I'm doing cobalt blue and turquoise, and I'm just going to, with help of this trusty little jug, I'm going to pour these two colours all over the place. Here I'm going to have a bit of fun with it. They're the only two going in. And in the turquoise I have put some silicone, so I don't mind if my lines get a little bit busted up with cells. That'll be quite alright. I'll come over here, and it looks pretty in there, but here we go. Now that will spread out. I've got rather a lot of colour left over, so I will put the rest in here, because I do have, in you go, a bit of an idea for what I, whoops, come here you. Right, so I have an LP record and this leftover paint. I am just going to do this. How pretty are those colours? Just make sure that I can put it down over here, I guess. And I'm just scratching out the jug to get the last of the paints out, hopefully, seriously hoping to get something rather pretty. And I'm just going to move this move across. That's just spreading out a little bit before I torch it, and I'm just banging this around, and I was right, the colours are very, very pretty. Just have to, because it's circular, you just have to keep the tilt up. Just put that on there to run the paint down. Runs a bit faster if it's not on a dry surface. And around it goes. Just about done. Bring it back to the centre, and there we go. How pretty is that with just the leftover paint? So that can go right there like that. This chap, if he wants to let go of the plastic, can come back here, and I'll just see if you're lined up. Back a little bit, there we go. And I'll wipe my hands off and give it a torch. Because I think that's very pretty. That is really nice. Let me have a look. Yes. That's going to make a lovely clock for somebody's wall. Alright, so I'm going to bring you down to have a little look and told you about the paint and the pouring media. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And first up, that's the record you just saw me pour. As you can see, it's very pretty, and it's got a lot of patterns in it, not a lot of cells, but that's because it was shaken up a fair bit, I guess. And this is the painting that has just come into being. It kind of looks pretty much 3D. I really like this one because the colours are so pretty. Got some nice cells in the background there. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put up videos into YouTube. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.